He has a song where the husband is the vixen. Now, it is very hard kupata mwanaume mwenye amewekwa na anakubali. Thank you so much. And this is to her. Mwini works so hard. Forget about the jokes or the songs anyway. If there's anyone who lights up the internet, promoting and showing people what she does, is my sister Mwini here. And if you're a young lady in here today, hustling and trying to make your things work for yourself, do not in any way be shy about your hustle. Be loud about it. Go out all the way to show people what you do. We are in an era where one video could make you the richest person. I saw my sister here from the time she opened her baby shop, from the time she's just been pushing. Oh, what? Hey, I'm so proud of you. That is why, in a day like this when we are celebrating Miale, let me give my cake to my sister here to also give her flowers today for the hard work that she does out there. So my son Jeremy here, my son Jeremy has presented the cake. That is your auntie. She's called Auntie Wamapropompo. Who? Auntie Wamapropompo. Jeremy, unajua nasoma my international school. Jeremy, what's your auntie's name? Auntie Wamapropompo. Auntie Wamapropompo. Thank you so much. I appreciate. And if any other lady is in here, a big shout out also to my sister Amber, building a brand that maybe people doubted. People are starting to believe. People will believe, and they will know that Amber has arrived. If you don't believe that, go to her page. See how she interacted with a brand, a rice brand that she's the brand ambassador today. You will know that people work so hard in this town. I appreciate you also, and I give you your flowers today, my sister Amber. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. And to my sister, any day, one call away, I'll always be there. Thank you.
Like, you made like the day Sally was gonna come back. Fully comforted. There to be were happy. Thank you for that. Tomoja. Nitengenezea Jeremy jina shuleni. Ile siku limpeleka na ile kombati wako. Jeremy. Teachers wote walikuwa naomba kazi Jeremy. Kila mtu Jeremy. And this is we are saying thank you for being there for us. We love you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate today. She has the biggest song on YouTube right now. The Kamba Lady. Now this one goes to the biggest artist in East and Central Africa.
It's a public knowledge, but at the end of the day, I want us to try. The good thing is that at least one of us must have money. Now that she has the money, I'm easy, Mr. Mindboard, but provided I'm being pampered with a lot of money. So I go to Star Wars. Now, wamesema kama una mtu tajiri, kama wewe ni mwanamke tafuta mwanaume tajiri, kama wewe ni mwanaume na una tajiri, tafuta mwanamke tajiri. At the end of the day, the most important thing is that you're beating poverty and you're surviving in Nairobi. Makofi. Sijali leo ni miale at 8. Na juu nimechelewa lazima mni appreciate by kupiga magofi. So just a few more remaining, lakini msikuwe na wasiwasi. Now, Miale at 8 is special for those of us who know what Miale has been, who knows the values Miale stands for, and who knows what Miale has grown to. Since the time of Corona, we know how valuable Miale is. And being that we are here to celebrate 8 years, it goes a long way and we don't take it for granted. As we rebrand Miale today, we want each and every one of you, friends of Miale, clans of Miale, and everybody that believes in Miale for what it is, to continue with the support, to continue being and coming over here, over and over, as we try to push Miale to the next level. Makofi. Mkienda kulipiga makofi, mkienda kulipiga makofi peke yake. Makofi. Thank you guys, I'm grateful. My name is Paul Obispo. I know you all know me. Ukiona mheshimiwa amepiga makofi jua, jina yangu ni kubwa na nimeshaingia town. So thank you guys. I'm humbled to be here. I'm privileged. It's a pleasure. Thank you so much. And we continue to do more of this. Sindio? Na unajua leo ni birthday yangu. My birthday cannot be celebrated for the day because I am a king. And this is going to be my first birthday celebration. Then you're going to have a number of them towards the end of the month because we celebrate for a whole month. Makofi. And now for the very last time, kindly nipigeni makofi for being born and for being an awesome human being. Makofi. Imetosha.
Happy birthday, Vixen. Right? And Bolu is the Vixen. Bolu is the Vixen. The wife is the singer. All said and done. Thank you guys for still making Miale your home. Thank you so much for supporting Mare. Mare, thank you so much for standing with the family and your wife. I remember when I came home and I visited and we spoke a lot. And it was a very dark time, but with her today. 8 years later, Miale is still running and Miale is still the place to be. Thank you so much. I don't want to say so much. Today is a day to enjoy. So let's celebrate. I don't know why Mary didn't get a good sound. Want to let a sound. You are not being paid. Thank you. Sound supplied as a liquid.
Asante mheshimiwa, asante sana. Nakumbuka kuna wakati tulienda kwa gari ya Kanjo, tukashikwa hapo. Tumetoka mbali.
Tulishikwa hapa. Hiyo wakati sikuwa nafanya hiyo, inafanya saa hii apake ilikuwa. So tukashikwa tukaingizwa kwa gari ya Kanjo, walikuja hapa. Wacha niwachie hapo. Huyo alianza kulia. Alafu najua kuna kitu mbaya kama mtu mnono analia. Wanaona ni jokes. But we managed to come back. Vitu zetu za shisha zote zilikuwa zimechukuliwa, zimeingizwa, tumeharasiwa, tumefungwa. We've had so many challenges. One of the saddest day also, when we were going through a lot of challenges. One of the saddest day, when things were really bad, we had a guy who drove in and parked and decided to sleep in the car. And that's the way he slept until today. He just died in the parking lot. And it was a very hard time for us trying to explain to people. Well, I didn't know that we didn't have CCTVs there. We don't know even what we could have explained. Because he drove and I think the way he had locked the windows, he blacked out. There was no air in the car. And even when alilala mpaka saa 4 mchana, it was so hot. And I think I'm not a doctor to explain what happened, but it was one of the saddest. Then a lot of things happened. Tulikuwa tunapigwa kila siku. But our loyal customers, you people, kept on coming every single day, every single day, every single day. But here we are celebrating 8 years down the line, we still more. I want to just let Chairman also say, not say something, but just wave. Hey man, Chair, wave to kidogo. Come, Kari. There are people who stood with Miale here. I know he never wants to talk a lot, but he knows the heat that we went through sometime. I just wanted you to go from where you are.
I thought you were calling me.
And now, Mahigi is running to be the next member of parliament of Subukia. Good luck. See you guys. Good luck. Let me just tell you, it is not easy. But the best thing is when you're working for the people. So I know how hardworking you are, and I know you work for the people of Subukia the day you are announced as a member of parliament. Thank you so much, my brother. Asante sana. Thank you so much.
So, at this moment, I want to recognize director.
Oh my God. Hello guys, how are you?
Okay.
Looking nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tunapata hapa.
These are promises that we are giving you. We are promising
Because of the light.
Niwazimie sasa muanguke chini.
Itabidi tungoje wapite kwanza.
Inaonyesha. With those few remarks, I would like to start honoring the invitation today for being here with us today. After reading that short speech, it's now my privilege and my honor to welcome the director, Mr. John Mahigi. Tumkaribishe kwa makofi tafadhali.
Good evening. Okay, my name is John Mahigi. I'm very honored, very happy to be here. For the people, all of them who have supported me throughout the journey, it has not been easy, but we thank God. Since we were left this company, but I want to welcome my family. At least they say something. You know my family, they've been like a backbone since the beginning of this project.
Mata Pele.
Anaitwa Mkamba na msanii wake. Bolo na msanii wake.
Nataka kumuita msanii, nataka kumuita radio. Nataka kumuita Mkamba. Inabidi mmechagua struggle.
Jamani. Struggle.
Inabidi mmechagua struggle.
Karibuni sana, you look good Mweni.
Luku imeweza. Wale usishangae mbona sisi kwako.
We invited almost everyone here to this place. Some of them are CSS now. Some of them are MPs. Some of them are superstars. Some of them. This place we hosted almost everyone. And the one thing that still stands out is that one thing. Welcome to Miale. This is the best restaurant in the 254. This is the Lago TV, live from Miale. We had a good time here. Amber refused to come for the interview, but Amber